In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a voice recording and extend it with music. To get started, open the main creation screen in the app. This is the area where you begin building your project, so take a second to make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're there, look for the upload audio option. This is the tool you'll use to bring in an existing voice file from your device, whether it's a spoken recording, a narration track, or any other audio clip you want to work with. Go ahead and tap Upload Audio. Your device storage will open so you can browse your files. From here, select the voice file you want to use. If you have several recordings saved on your device, it may help to know the file name or the folder where it's stored in advance, just to make this part faster and smoother. Once you tap the correct file, the app will import it into your project. After the upload is complete, you should see your audio track appear in the workspace. At this stage, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you selected the right file and that it uploaded properly. This can save time before you move into the next part of the process. Now, with the uploaded audio track visible, tap Extend. This feature is designed to build music around your recording, which is especially useful if you want to create a fuller, more polished result without having to manually add a separate background track yourself. When you use Extend, the app analyzes your uploaded audio and starts generating music that fits around it, helping the final piece feel more complete and natural. Give the app a moment to process the extension. Depending on the file and the project, this may take a little time, so just wait for it to finish. Once it's done, you'll have a version of your recording with music built around the original voice track. That's all you need to do. You start on the main creation screen, tap Upload